Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna be reviewing the cm.126 Airsoft electric gun. First, we will start by showing the box. As you see, front of the box, side of the box, and it is used for 6mm BBs. I'm sorry, that is my sister in the background. It uses 6mm BB bullets, and also there are some warnings. Always read this warning information before using this airsoft gun to ensure safety. There, if you want to read them, I will show them to you now. That is the outside of the box. Side of the box, the length is 216 millimeters. Weight are 810 grams. 30 BB bullets. Mag capacity 16mm, 6mm, not 60, 6mm BBs, and the weight is 2 Gs. Airsoft electric gun, more warnings. Here's how the gun looks, actually, if you skipped on for the video. You can do a random. There are a few issues with this gun, so I'll first take out the gun on the side. Get out of there, come on, you're stuck in your box. I just left this tag on here so it looks good. But one of the problems are, don't drop it on its back, because these two little pieces that are connected to the top part, which slides off for the battery, fell off on me, and Gorilla Glue saved my life. Then we have a little problem with the inside of the gun. There's the top part. There. It is this little part, I forgot. This little part for the automatic and semi doesn't work well. So if you wanna get a little rubber tube, like super small, like at least this small, even smaller, and just squeeze it on that little peg. You see how there's outlines there? That's because of the rubber. That it doesn't want to switch to auto right. Without that, it wouldn't have worked. Now, because I just opened the gun, I will show you the battery. It needs to be charged for 4 hours. You just plug it in right there on the side. There. I think that's good. Nope. There. And if your back pieces fall off, you need to carefully install it on there. Carefully push it back. Or that fell off. Tag. We don't need that. Put it back in the box. But there is semi. Wait, is this on safety? Yeah, safety is really small. I'll go show it up close in person. There's that little shape. Safety is backwards, and this is fire. S that way, F this way. Semi. Not charged that well because I used it. And then I'm going to shoot it in a target later on. Mag doesn't come out easy. It has fallen a few times. Battery is not the best. Battery, because I shot it here at home. And then I shot it at my cousin's house. So I'm just going to load it up. You just put it in here, the speed loader, and press this down. It is not a janky speed loader. It's really handy when you need it. Turn on this blinking light. There actually, it gives me better lighting there. Put that in the box. Give me better lighting. We're gonna shoot it later in the video. Put it back there. Safety. We're gonna shoot it now, actually. There it is. Let's do semi first. Automatic. Later in the video, leave that there. I'm gonna show you how to have a good target. And I'm going to tell you why it's in a tube for gas. So it comes with a little baggie of BBs. This is for jamming. If you're doing jams, cleaning. This jam, and this is jamming. So cleaning and jamming, and this is for jamming, and this could work for jamming too. It's if a BB gets stuck in here, because I've had problems with previous guns, pullbacks, got stuck once, and then one popped out the handle right here. Here is the cable. Where's the other piece of the cable? There. That's the other piece to this. And you just plug it in right here at the back. And I'll get the battery out of here. Where's the battery? There. There. Mama, wait. There. I need the help for that. That's that one. I never noticed that. It's this button right here where the white sticker is. Press that. I never noticed that. So now this, slide it the other way. Like that. Plug this into the wall. And it needs to be 2 hours charging. I thought it was 4. I just read the instructions on the side. On this side, yeah. There. It's the end of the video. It's perfect, it's okay, just those 3 little problems. Bad battery, not that long. Back pins, and what else was it? Yeah, the one here. The automatic and not automatic. Then the box. Put everything to the side. It is a really good gun, and I would say for starters, yes, for a first electric gun, you could get this. Now I'm going to show you how to make an airsoft target later. Next video, I'm going to show you how to make an airsoft target, and now instructions if you want to look at that. Bye. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe down below.